In this video, I will show you how to remove you may like suggestions on TikTok. First thing you want to do is launch open the TikTok app. Then you want to click on the search icon. Here you will find the you may like section. Tap on the refresh icon to get new suggestions. If you still do not like the suggestions you are getting, the next thing you want to do is head over to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now select settings and privacy. Tap content preferences. Then go to manage topics. Here use the sliders. Slide right to see more, slide left to see less, then tap on save. Next you want to head back over to your settings, then tap on notifications. Here scroll to personalized post suggestions option. Make sure that you switch all of these off. Next you want to head back over to settings, then tap on activity center. Now tap on search history. Here select, then tap select all. Now tap on delete, then confirm deletion. Now head back over to your search page. If you're still not happy, you want to scroll all the way down and tap on Help Us Improve. Select Not Interested or Not Personalized. Choose the unwanted suggestions. Then tap on Submit. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.